Student, I am going to discuss about the molecular formula and empirical formula. देखो molecular formula means what? Suppose you have the formula of ethane C2H6. So this is a molecular formula. Now what is the empirical formula? Empirical formula, it is a ratio of atoms in whole number. We will discuss about the next topic. Okay. So first you learn that ki what is a molecular formula. Suppose you have glucose formula, you have any formula of organic compound or other formula. Suppose you have Na2SO4. So Na2SO4 is a sodium sulfate. This is a molecular formula. Okay. Now suppose you have C2H6. Suppose. So this is a molecular formula. And what is the empirical formula? Empirical formula like CS3. This is not a complete formula. It is the ratio. It is the ratio of atoms in whole number. So how many carbon is there? 1, and hydrogen is 3. So 1:3. Okay. Now the actual is what? Molecular formula is equals to n into empirical formula. The molecular formula is depend upon the molecular weight, and empirical formula is depend upon the empirical weight. Okay. Now n is what? N is integer like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now suppose you have empirical formula is what? CS3. Suppose you have molecular formula is what? C2H6. Okay. C2H6. So how many carbon is there? So this is what molecular formula. And suppose n is what? N is 2. This is equals to, yes or no? देखो 2 into CS3 is what? Again C2H6. Clear? 100% clear? Okay. Suppose you have the formula of glucose C6H12O6. This is the molecular formula. And how to? There is a empirical formula is what? CH2O. So just you multiply by 6. So C6H12O6. So there is n is what? 2 and n is what? 6. So n is integer. Clear? Okay. Now suppose you have a question. The question is what? The question is a compound has molecular weight. Just you note down already in my notes. A compound has molecular weight. A compound has molecular weight is what? 90. Okay. 90 is a compound molecular weight. And its empirical formula is CHO2. This is empirical formula. This is a empirical formula. Okay. CHO2. Find molecular formula. Find molecular formula. So just first you note down कि molecular you note down. देखो just check. Molecular formula is based on the molecular weight and empirical formula is based on the empirical weight. So we also write that कि molecular weight is equals to n into empirical weight. Okay. Empirical weight. So molecular weight is what? 90. And n is what? N is not given. And empirical weight. So first you check empirical weight. Just you note down how to find empirical weight. So CHO2 is the empirical formula. Carbon is what? Empirical weight of CHO2. Just you find carbon is what? 12. Oxygen is 16. So 16 into 2 plus hydrogen is 1. So 12 plus 32 plus 1 is what? 45. Clear? So empirical weight is 45. N is what? 90 upon 45. It means 2. So the question is what? Find molecular formula. So you know the molecular formula is equals to n into empirical formula. N is what? 2 and empirical formula is what? CHO2. So just you multiply by 2. So C2H2O4. So this is the molecular formula. Clear? Easy? Okay. So just you note down the next question. Note down. already. Acha, just check my notes. There is a second question. Okay, the second question is what? The second question is what? A compound has vapor density. The vapor density is what? 45. This is the second question. Okay, next page I'm using. Just wait. Okay, the next question. Question is already in my notes. Just check my notes. A question is question 2. A compound has vapor density. Vapor density is what? 45. And the empirical formula again CHO2. This is the empirical formula. Okay. So now again find molecular formula. So now here is a formula. Just you note down the formula. Molecular weight is equals to 2 into vapor density. So you know the vapor density is 45. The answer is molecular weight is 90. Okay, clear? So just you find empirical weight of CHO2. Now the last question, the answer is what? 45. Carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1 and oxygen is 32, 45. To find out N. Yeah? N is what? Molecular formula is equals to N into empirical formula, है ना? And molecular weight is equals to what? Just you note down. Molecular weight is equals to N into empirical weight. So molecular weight is what? 90 and and empirical weight is 45. So N is what? 2. The same formula, molecular formula is equals to N into empirical formula. Empirical formula. N is 2 and empirical formula is CHO2 again. The answer is C2H2O4. So this is based on the molecular formula. Now the next topic is what? Is very important again, empirical formula. So what is empirical formula? So just you note down empirical formula. It is the ratio of atoms in whole number. The very interesting question, suppose you have a compound. A compound, the question is what? This is based on the compound question. A compound, carbon is equals to 40%, hydrogen is equals to 6.7%, and oxygen is 53.3%. And the molecular mass of the compound is 60. Find molecular formula. Find molecular formula. So first you check कि all the percentage are equals to 100 or not. So 40 plus 53, 40, 53, 93, 93.3 and 6. This is what? 100%. So first you check कि these total percentage are equals to 100% or not. Okay, then after you solve. Suppose the percentage is not 100%, so the last hide element is what? Oxygen. Okay, clear? So now in this case you draw the line, the column N. The first column is what? Element. The second column is what? Percentage. This is the short. The third column is what? Atomic weight. The fourth column is what? Atomic ratio. Atomic ratio. And the last column is what? Simplest ratio. Simplest ratio. Okay, simplest ratio. So now the first element is carbon, then hydrogen, then oxygen. Carbon percentage is what? 40 and hydrogen is 6.7 and oxygen is 53.3. Atomic mass of carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1 and oxygen is 16. And atomic ratio means percentage divided by atomic weight. So 40 divided by 12. The answer is 3.33. And second is percentage divided by atomic weight. This is 6.7. And again 53.3 3 divided by 16. This is again 3.33. In this question, in this atomic ratio, we consider the smallest value. The smallest value is 3.33. So just you note down 3.33 divided by 3.33. This is 1. And 6.7 again divided by 3.33. This is 2. And 3.33 is divided by 3.33. This is again 1. Clear? Clear all of you? Okay. Now this is a how to find the simplest ratio of empirical formula. Now in this case the ratio of carbon, ratio hydrogen, ratio oxygen. So carbon is what? Just 1 and hydrogen is 2 and oxygen again 1. Just you check. Carbon is 1, hydrogen is 2. Just wait. Okay, just wait beta. Carbon is 1, hydrogen is 2 and oxygen is 1. देखो just there is a 3 values. Okay, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Now again there is a ratio. So now in this case the empirical formula is what? The empirical formula, this is not formula. Okay, formula. So this is carbon is 1, hydrogen is 2 and oxygen is 1. So this is CH2O. Okay, now you find the molecular formula. So you know very well N is equals to what? The molecular formula upon empirical formula. So same as molecular weight upon molecular weight is equals to N into empirical weight. So N is what? Molecular weight upon empirical weight. Yeah. So molecular weight is what? Given 60. And now empirical weight, carbon is 12 and oxygen is 16. 12, 16, 28 plus 2, 30. N is what? 2. Now the molecular formula is equals to N into empirical formula. So N is what? 2 and empirical formula is CH2O. The answer is what? C2H4O2. Clear? Now the second question in my notes, just you check and solve. So this is a full explanation of molecular formula and empirical formula. Thank you, student.